3. Oh, this one too. 1. Now, over here, this is the motor for the valves, and there is a connector over there. I'm gonna mark it. Yes, then. Yes, out of the way. This one is underneath the clamp. There is a negative cable attached over there. We drop the bolt. Yes, tiny bolt. I'll mark that cable too. Okay. Yes, something like this. Okay, this one out of the way. We take the nano. Plop, plop. His brother also, and nano. Plop, this one. The throttle bodies are still on the new engine, so we're gonna leave this. We just disconnect them. Is that easy? Yes, that's one loom. The, yes, the, okay, there is another one. This is cut off, so that's good. Okay. We got a tire up here, a tire up there, and a fly. That fly. Okay. Let's see. This one goes over here. Yep. And then we have this one. So that's a market. Then some you have to lift, other you have to squeeze. It's BMW, get it uniform. Yes, this one. And over here we have the coolant temperature sensor. It's over there. So yes, and let's see what this is. Have to press it, or yeah, this is again a press one. Screwdriver. Yes, this one, and then I see over here another one, and it's also with a tire. Okay. Then let's see what this one is. A lifting one, but we can take it off from this side. Then guys, we have here, let's see this one. Where does that goes? That goes up over here. Of course, with the tire wrap. Okay, we're getting there, one way or another. Okay, then guys, we need to take these injectors off. Torx 25. And these are yes. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one too. One. The injector's out. Okay, guys, that's a full assembly. So this one, this one out of the way. I'm gonna put this in a blanket, so we keep it clean, something like this. Yes. Okay. Oh. Yes, bolt out of the way. A marker. Guys, we're getting there. Hop. Step 30. Oh, oops, it's not all the way out. Half a turn. Okay, and this loom out of the way. Gonna tie them together. Okay. Bolt. The hose, oh, the coolant. Okay, wiggle it a bit. Yes. Then again, loosen it a bit tighter. So. Yes, there it is. Whop. Okay, I'm gonna carefully that. Yes, pry it a bit loose. This side too. Yep. Then yes, yep, there it goes. Hop. Yep, we're not there yet. Over there is a connector too. Carefully get in. This is again another lifting. Oh, lift this and then yes, up, get it off, and of course mark it. Okay. So let's see. This out of the way. Then guys, this one. No. This. How in the world? This works in the factory quite good. But in real life, it's a bit of a problem. Plan B. Huh? I have to see. There he goes. There he goes. Can use this as a leverage, but yes, good. Let's see, guys. Most of it out of the way. This one, yep. This over here. Let's remove the clutch cable. Now, for the clutch cable, it's over there. Fuck. Hop, first we get it all the way in, and that's easy. Normally, I think this, yes, okay, then loosen it over there. This one. Yep. Takes a while. We're getting there. This out of the way for now. Okay. Then you have to release that nut, and then on the bottom side here is a slit, but guys, we have to remove it on the handle side first. Hop. See? Then we can pull it out. And okay. Yep. Hop. Loosen it over there. I don't think I have to take the clutch cable all the way out. No. But just loosen it. Now guys, we're gonna disengage first. We're gonna take this one out. Is that easy? More. Yes. Out of the way. Then we need to take the clutch cable off. That should be easy. Normally, yes, then up like this. Okay. Out of the way. Job done. Now, the next thing we're gonna do. Let's see. This is all filthy. Also out of the way. Make it clean as possible. Okay, now we need to, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Guys, the next thing we have to do is get the gear selector sensor switch out of the way. Up. Is that easy? Whoa, very easy. One screw, two screws, and then the wiring. Let's see if we can get that in the picture. Wait a minute, there is a tie wrap. Up, yes, this one bit to that side. Now let's see, guys, this is, oh, wait, yep, this is the, it goes up. Yes, over here. A minute. This is the cable. See? This is the module. And the cable goes over there. And that's this one. Wait a minute, guys. Don't have to. Can I? Yeah. Just pop. Leave it over there. Yep. Okay. Oh, guys. Stuff in here. Okay, let's move on.